My name is Johannes Fischer from LANG AG, and I would like to welcome you on our booth at the ISE this year. We as LANG AG understand our role pretty much as an early adopter in the AV market. As a B2B company, we always try to find new markets, innovative technologies, which could open new business models for us and of course for our customers. So drone shows are pretty much known, I think. Everyone has seen one, even at least on TV, I guess. We think that drone shows will be much more bigger in the near future, and we think that this could be a chance to adapt these models, these business models in the AV market for us. Fireworks will be much more less in the future, and we think drone shows could take their place. So we spent a lot of time to get to know to the drone market and to get to know how to be able to adopt these kind of business models in our AV industry market. And of course, we get ourselves prepared to be able to prepare our customers to scale their business and to implement a drone show in their portfolio. So please come to our booth, stop by and have a talk to us. We are really excited about it and hope you will join us on our journey to the sky.